Antarctica's ice stretches for miles beneath the surface, into places where sunlight has never reached. Yet even there, life still exists. Tiny organisms have survived for thousands of years in complete darkness. From above, Antarctica looks like nothing more than a frozen desert. But beneath the ice lie massive hidden lakes, flowing rivers, and even active volcanoes, all trapped under the largest reserve of fresh water on Earth. Today, the world's most powerful nations are becoming increasingly interested in Antarctica. Many experts believe that after 2048, international agreements protecting the continent could change. If that happens, the countries with the strongest presence there may gain the greatest influence. This raises an important question. Is something extremely valuable hidden beneath Antarctica's ice? Something that has already started a silent global competition? At first glance, Antarctica appears to be just a lonely continent covered in snow and ice. In reality, it is one of the most mysterious and valuable places on Earth. Around 70% of the planet's fresh water is locked beneath its ice sheets. In some places, the ice is several kilometers thick. Antarctica is also the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth, where temperatures can drop below -90 degrees Celsius. During winter, some regions remain in complete darkness for months. Despite these extreme conditions, life still exists there, not only in the oceans, but deep beneath the ice itself. To scientists, Antarctica is like a giant frozen library. Every layer of ice preserves ancient air bubbles and records of Earth's climate from hundreds of thousands of years ago. By drilling deep ice cores, researchers can study the atmosphere of the distant past. In some regions, powerful winds sweep away the upper snow, revealing vast fields of blue ice. This blue ice was once ordinary snow, compressed over thousands of years until the air inside disappeared. Some of this ice is millions of years old. Antarctica is also home to Mount Erebus, one of the southernmost active volcanoes on Earth. Hot gases from the volcano have formed giant caves inside the ice. Within these caves, scientists discovered strange mosses, algae, and unusual DNA sequences never seen before. Beneath the ice, Antarctica hides not only the secrets of life, but also traces of ancient history. Scientists believe some remains from past ages may still lie buried deep under the frozen surface. The deeper researchers explore, the clearer it becomes that Antarctica is far more than just a continent of ice. Beneath it lie heat, history, and mysteries still unknown to humanity. Western Antarctica is currently losing ice rapidly, with glaciers collapsing into the sea. Although some parts of eastern Antarctica are gaining ice, satellite data shows that overall, the continent has been steadily losing ice mass for decades. More astonishingly, beneath over a kilometer of ice, heat from the Earth allows water to flow between rock and ice. Thousands of hidden rivers and lakes exist below Antarctica, connected in vast underground networks. Yet humans have directly explored only a tiny fraction of this hidden world, an area roughly equal to the size of a basketball court. One of Antarctica's most famous mysteries is Blood Falls at Taylor Glacier, where deep red water flows through the ice, making it appear as if the glacier is bleeding. Scientists first thought the color came from algae, but later discovered the water originated from an ancient, iron-rich reservoir trapped beneath the ice for millions of years. These hidden waters support tiny microorganisms that survive without sunlight, using chemical energy from rocks instead. Entire ecosystems may exist beneath the ice in complete darkness. Antarctica is also vital for massive creatures like the blue whale, which depends on Antarctic waters during parts of its life cycle. Scientists still do not fully understand how these enormous animals survive in such a rapidly changing environment. Deep beneath nearly 3.5 kilometers of ice lies one of the largest hidden lakes on Earth, Lake Vostok. It is around 240 kilometers long and has been sealed away from the outside world for millions of years. Antarctica contains more than 600 hidden subglacial lakes, and wherever scientists have been able to study samples, they have found signs of life. Some microbes survive by feeding on minerals and chemical reactions in rocks. Others live within mud and sediments beneath the ice. Even stranger creatures have been found hundreds of kilometers away from any sunlight, proving that life can exist in environments once thought impossible. This discovery has changed how scientists think about life beyond Earth. Moons such as Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, orbiting Saturn, also hide vast oceans beneath thick layers of ice. If life can survive under Antarctica's frozen surface, then life elsewhere in the universe may also be possible. Antarctica has not revealed alien life, but it may have shown scientists what alien environments could look like. The deeper scientists explore, the more they discover that Antarctica is not only cold. Beneath the ice lies intense geothermal heat. Western Antarctica hides dozens of volcanoes, some of which have left ash layers trapped within the ice, proving they have been active for thousands of years. Modern mapping technology has also revealed giant mountain ranges, deep valleys, and some of the deepest canyons on Earth hidden beneath the ice sheet. Millions of years ago, Antarctica had rivers, forests, and a warm climate. Fossils found in rocks show that the continent was once green and full of life. Because of this ancient geology, scientists believe Antarctica may contain enormous reserves of oil, natural gas, coal, and rare minerals worth trillions of dollars. However, under the 1959 Antarctic Treaty, mining is currently banned. Even so, countries like China and others are continuing to build new research stations, while global powers steadily increase their presence there. Antarctica is not simply a frozen continent. It is a complex system where ice, water, heat, oceans, and life are all interconnected. The real question is what happens in the future. If international protections over Antarctica weaken after 2048, could competition for its hidden resources trigger new global conflicts? And perhaps the greatest mystery of all is this: are the secrets beneath Antarctica only scientific discoveries, or are they also the key to humanity's future?